With money being tight at the moment, I've been tinkering with some budget cut steaks. Now this is an oyster blade cut. It's $16 a kilo. I've already taken off the super marbled tail and made a beautiful steak from it. But as you work your way up the steak, it has this silver skin tendon that runs through the middle. It's not great because you can't chew through that silver skin end. So this is what I'm left with. And as you can see, it's super marbled. So my plan today is to smoke it as if it's a brisket. Usually I'd go with a classic salt and pepper rub on this brisket, but last weekend I cooked a lamb shoulder with this Moroccan rub, which was just incredible. So I'm gonna try it again on this beef and see how it goes. It's a teaspoon of paprika, 1.5 teaspoons of dry herbs, 3/4 a teaspoon of cumin, and 2 tablespoons of curry powder. I'm gonna rub this baby down, then she's into the smoker for a few hours to develop a nice bark. She's sitting at about 160 at the moment. You can see she's got that nice bark. She's ready to come out. Okay, just gonna put some butter on the top. Kind of like I'd do ribs. Now usually she has a layer of fat on the top, but as I was cutting it up for steaks, I've removed all of the fat, so she might be a bit dry. So if I put that butter on, and I might even put a little bit of liquid in there as well, as we wrap this up. And I've just got, really simply, some soda water, a bit of apple cider vinegar. That butter's gonna melt as well. It'll be really good. Hold all that liquid in, wrap it really tight. And I've turned the smoker off because I want to save some pellets. And once it's wrapped in foil, she doesn't need any more smoke anyway. So I'm going to finish her off in the oven. Nice and tight, she's ready to go straight in the oven. So I've put the oven on to 275 and we'll just finish her off in there. It's taken all day. She's been in the esky for a few hours. We're a few beers deeper. Let's see what she looks like. Ooh. So you can see that tendon, but it's broken down into collagen now. Okay, kind of looks like a brisket. All right, let's see what she tastes like. First thing is, that tendon is just fully broken down in the middle. Kind of tastes like roast beef. It's like between a roast beef and a brisket taste. Super tender though. Just falling apart. Really good. Caught. Come check this out. The flavor's good. I can't taste the curry rub like I could on the lamb.
Curry rub.
But, come here, taste that. Oh, you don't have to eat it out of my hands.
Yeah, I do.
Try that.
Oh,
What do you think?
beautiful.
That's so good.
That's it.
You really like the fat
That fat
part,
bit
so
is the best.
you can taste the smoke. And it kind of tastes like a beef cheek a little bit. That middle tendon tastes
That's what
like,
I was gonna say,
tastes like
yes.
beef cheeks. Yeah, okay.
That's good.
The verdict, It's really good. And it's way cheaper than a brisket, $16.50 a kilo. It tastes very similar to a brisket. It's like a brisket / beef cheek put together. It's kind of weird, but 16 bucks a kilo, you're laughing. Sweet. All right, well, that's it, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Does it pass the fussy puppy test? All right, mate. You're up here. It's a bit big. Yeah, well, he's trying to lick the fingers, so passes the fussy puppy test.